Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off calls notifications on Gmail. If you're tired of being bombarded with notifications every time you receive an email, follow these simple steps to regain control of your inbox. First, go to Settings on your Android device. This can typically be found in the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps on your device that are capable of sending notifications. Scroll down until you find Gmail and tap on it to access its specific notification settings. Once you're in the Gmail notification settings, look for the option that says Show Notifications. Simply toggle this option off to disable all notifications from Gmail. And that's it. You have successfully turned off calls notifications on Gmail and can now enjoy a more peaceful email experience without constant interruptions. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you decide you want to enable notifications again in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.